Venus, the planet that shouldn't be alive, but is. For a long time, scientists thought the planet Venus was dead, a hot, burning world where nothing could survive. But new discoveries are changing everything. Hidden under thick clouds and deep under the planet's surface, scientists may have found giant tunnels stretching for miles. Some researchers even wonder if these underground spaces could have once protected something unexpected, maybe even life. This is why scientists are suddenly excited about the most dangerous planet in our solar system. Venus is often called Earth's twin. That's because the two planets are almost the same size. Both formed from the same basic materials when our solar system was young. But Venus did not turn out like Earth. Instead of oceans and forests, Venus became a burning nightmare. Surface temperatures reach about 869 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. The air pressure is also extreme. Standing on Venus would feel like being almost a mile underwater on Earth. And the clouds? They are filled with sulfuric acid. This means Venus has acid rain in the sky. It's one of the most hostile places we know. Venus hides its surface under thick yellow clouds. These clouds are so dense that normal cameras cannot see through them. So how do scientists study the planet? They use radar. Radar sends radio waves through the clouds. Those waves bounce off the surface and return to spacecraft. This helps scientists build maps of the planet below. One of the most important missions was Magellan spacecraft, launched by NASA in 1989. Magellan spent years mapping almost the entire surface of Venus. And what it found surprised everyone. Venus is covered in volcanoes. In fact, it may have more volcanoes than any other planet in our solar system. Some volcanoes on Venus are hundreds of miles wide, others rise high above the surrounding land. In 2023, scientists studied old radar images from the Magellan mission again. They looked closely at a giant volcano called Mont Mons. Two images were taken months apart in the early 1990s, and when scientists compared them, they noticed something strange. The shape of a volcanic vent had changed. Magellan may have accidentally recorded a real volcanic eruption on Venus. And one volcano is active, there could be many more. While studying Venus, scientists noticed strange shapes on the surface, huge circular patterns called coronae. Some coronae are hundreds of miles across. They look like giant rings or cracked circles in the ground. Scientists think these form when hot rock rises from deep inside the planet. The surface lifts upward. Then it slowly collapses, leaving a ring shape behind. Recent research suggests that many of these coronae are still active today. That means Venus might still have earthquakes and volcanic movement happening right now. The planet we thought was dead might still be changing today. Scientists think Venus may also have giant underground tunnels. These are called lava tubes. Lava tubes form when flowing lava cools on the outside. The outside hardens into rock, but hot lava keeps flowing underneath. When the lava finally drains away, a long hollow tunnel is left behind. We see lava tubes here on Earth in places like Hawaii. And scientists have also found them on the Moon and Mars. Some are over 20 miles long. But on Venus, they could be even larger. For years, scientists suspected lava tubes existed on Venus, but proving it was difficult. The radar images were blurry. Small cave openings could easily be missed. Then researchers noticed something interesting. On some volcanoes, there are chains of pits. They don't look like normal cracks. Instead, they look like collapsed sections of a tunnel roof, just like lava tubes on Earth. This may be the first strong evidence that Venus has massive underground cave systems. The surface of Venus is deadly, but underground could be a different story. Lava tubes might protect areas from extreme heat. They could also block harmful radiation. On other planets, scientists think lava tubes could become future shelters for explorers. Long ago, Venus may have had oceans of water. Some studies suggest the planet could have stayed habitable for billions of years, if life ever started there. Underground caves might have been one of the last safe places for it. Right now, we don't know, but the idea is exciting. The next decade could reveal many of Venus's secrets. New missions are already being planned. One of them is Da Vinci mission, another is Veritas mission. These spacecraft will study the atmosphere and map the planet in much higher detail than before. They may finally confirm, are the volcanoes still active? how many lava tubes exist, and what really lies hidden beneath Venus's clouds. Venus was once seen as a dead world, a place too extreme to matter. But today, scientists are discovering a planet that may still be alive with geological activity. A world with volcanoes, earthquakes, and massive underground tunnels. And maybe even clues about whether life could exist in the most unlikely places.